everybody, my name is Robscar. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Part 7. Now, once again, my recording sucks. So, you all missed my intro again in the last episode. I know. I should get better at this. But, I probably won't. Anyway, so as you remember the last episode, we went to Kerwin. And we made our way to Al. He upgraded Clank, and now we have this cool feature where we can just like hover launch. See, and we have the action jump. And then now we're on Trent and the Holly Heroes. We also bought Mr. Zircon.
Mr. Zircon is here.
Anyway, so now we're trying to help stop this bomb from getting to the Holly Heroes. Goodbye.
This is awesome. So what next? Halo jump into enemy territory? Suborbital combat training?
In time, rookie. Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition. Good luck.
Alright, now you guys missed... Oh, I got a trophy. You're in the Rangers now. Okay. Now you guys, you missed the cutscene again because I freaking recorded with my PS4 and that's so hard. But I'll just explain it once more. So, Ratchet was walking in Rangers headquarters and then this dude was showing him and Clank around, and then they went to go see Alaris, and Alaris took Clank and she was showing him, she was gonna give him a tour, and then Ratchet was gonna go with the dude to do some basic training, and then he was like, and then Ratchet was like, see you in a bit, and Clank was like, he waved his hand, and then, yeah, and then we went straight to the part you guys saw. Okay, so let's go.
Cadets, and welcome to the Captain Court Fitness Course.
Thanks.
You'll work on your physical strength as well as your thinking strength. Are you ready to get started?
It's called mental strength. Hey, it's called mental strength, not thinking strength. Strength. Silly Captain Court. There's nothing over here. Worth a look. Okay, let's go. Wait a second, that makes no sense. How is it that I have Clank on my back when we literally just separated? Game, you just broke yourself.
On reaching the summit of justice, your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and pain.
Does that mean I can do this? Okay, that just proves that freaking I'm with Clank. You just broke yourself, game. Game, you just broke yourself.
Galactic Ranger property.
Oh boy, you guys saw that, right? Oh!
Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and pain. It's time to ascend to the Tower of Power. Here you must leap from platform to platform, but tread lightly. These pieces will move to one position, and then, without so much as a warning, shift to an entirely different position.
Okay, okay. Boom. I wasn't paying attention to anything you said, but something about shifting differently. so hard. Looking around. Ha! I just cheated the game. Nope, never mind. Ah! Watch, I'm gonna complete this right now. I'm not gonna fall anymore. Aw, darn it, that's a freaking wait.
Congratulations, you've conquered the Tower of Power. It's the main platform to claim your prize, Ranger.
Okay, thanks. Wait, I thought I was supposed to get a prize.
Nice work, Cadet.
I get to go on a boat. You're joking, right? That's the second one on the planet. I completed the planet. I got both golden bolts on the planet. But this golden bolt was like a giveaway. Like you didn't have to like usually you have to go find them, but this one was like just given to you.
I see you just finished my training course. Aren't you just full of stuff you can do? Meet me outside the Hall of Heroes. I have an assignment for you.
I feel like he's gonna give me some assignment like toughest or something like that. Oh my mash. Mash, 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 mash.
Over here, Ranger.
Over where?
Since you're now one of us, I thought it was time to get you a new ride.
Whoa, a Class G Star Jumper? Is this for me?
Technically, it's Galactic Ranger property, but if you survive, complete this super secret yet completely on the level mission, she'll be yours to use however you like.
What is this secret mission?
I
Yes,
call it
freaking eyeballs.
Operation Falling Star. Congratulations, Cadet. You've been selected for Operation Falling Star. Galactic Ranger Intel tells us Chairman Drek has a state-of-the-art weapons lab in Nebula G-34. Your mission is to destroy his top-secret project without, and this is important, telling anyone. Ever. Seriously, this is our little secret.
Sure, but I don't see why...
Please save your questions until the end of the presentation. You'll need to access Breck's laboratory using a trespasser, your wits, and the kind of fortitude normally found in more seasoned Rangers. Get in, destroy whatever he's working on, and get out. I'll monitor your position from here. Good luck. I wish I could be there to see you off, but I have an urgent appointment with my acupuncturist. Call me when you arrive at Nebula G-34. I'm counting on you, Ratchet.
Okay. Alright, now see we got 2 out of 2 bolts. Complete all the missions there. There are no bolts on Nivalis. But there's still 1 bolt left on the radio, which I haven't found. But right now we're gonna go to Rilgar. Wait, Nebula's G-34 looks really weird. Find the top secret Blarg research project. Required. Search for trespasser in the Rilgar sewers. Okay, so we can't do this because we need a trespasser, and to get a trespasser we need to go to the Rilgar sewers, so I guess everything fits out. Time to go to Rilgar next, because I've gone to every planet except for Nebula G34 and Rilgar. So I'm gonna go to Rilgar, complete the planet, get the trespasser, then go to Nebula G34. And then bam! Everything fits into place. Man, I love how everything fits into place. Okay, so of course I'm gonna go compete in the hoverboard because I want to do that. Maybe a prize is like a golden boat. A golden boat.
Attention residents of Blackwater City. As you may have noticed, we appear to be dealing with a small outbreak of amoeboids. Our security teams are working hard to rid the city of these creatures, but first, they have to wake up, get washed, brush their teeth, drive over here. I mean, really, it's a whole process. So until they arrive, the race is postponed. Please stay inside your homes while we manage the crisis.
Okay.
Thank you.
I wonder what kind of weapons.
Let's clear out those amoeboids. I have a new McMark's hoverboard I want to try out.
This weapon creates an instant dance party, making enemies vulnerable to attack. And then the pixelizer. Ooh, I like that. This close-range arm cannon fires a burst of energy that blasts enemies back in time. A time when resolution was a lot lower. Ha, that's funny. So 8,000, 15,000. Now how much am I gonna need? Total 23,000. God! I only have 5,000 out of that 23,000, so I guess we'll come back here when I have time. Or when I have 23,000 both, that is. Any other weapon vendors? There's another one, which is probably just their refill ammo, I'm guessing. I'm guessing that those are just sewers. Just to totally guess. Okay. So, let's go. What are the missions? Optional, travel to the hoverboard event, search for the sewers. Okay. What are these amoeboid thingies? Can I like swim in the ocean? If I go in the ocean, will I die? Oh! Oh God! Oh my God, that was so scary. Are those the amoeboid thingies? Scared the hell out of me. And then that's just disgusting.
What's down here?
Okay, I'm gonna go kill that fish right there. Get its bolt. anything to do here? No. I'm gonna refill this with water. This water is good. Now, you know what I want to see is actually on the map. Okay. Fill with water. Or take away water. My bad. Boom! I already have 5,000. I had been ahead 5,000. Okay, I was like, I already have 5,000, but no, I already had 5,000. I'm gonna go this way just because it's open. What's that? Oh God. We can't go that way. We can't go that way. Where's that way? We can't go that way. We can't go up. Oh, I really have to go down. Can't go that way. So I guess that leaves this way. What? What am I supposed to do? Okay, so you can't go that way. That leaves only one way to go, and it's this way.
Do some upgrades.
There's not supposed to be a way out of here. I do not know what to do. What do I do?
Out of ammo.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon is bored. Hello, sticky eggs. Mr. Zircon is bored.
Look, I get the
I
board.
shall let you live, little alien. Psych. Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
You can't break into it. Oh, that's what you have to do.
Hey,
So dumb.
Sewer pumps activated.
oh boy.
I believe we should run now. Oh dear, the water is rising.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
Oh, that son of a.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy.
I believe we should run now. Oh dear, the water is rising. Ratchet, we must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy.
I believe we should run now.
Oh god. Oh god. Get out of my way. No!
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal.
We must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal. Oh, that was close.
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
$7,000? That's a nice amount. So we already completed one of the missions. Cool.
This place looks like bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Escape the sewers. Optional, collect all Rhino Hall cards. I don't know what the Rhino Hall cards are. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you all for watching. And I think I know who that guy is. That's skipping. Dude, what? Anyway, I will see you. Oh wait. No, yeah, I was right. Okay, yeah. So thank you all for watching on this episode of Ratchet and Clank, and I will see all of you in the next video. Later.